Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making a chocolate curled cake. It's an old-fashioned cake that I haven't made in years. And this is what it looks like. So let's do this. Okay, so let's start making the dark chocolate filling for the cake. We're going to need 3 egg yolks. Make sure they're just the egg yolks, but not the whites. Okay, I've got my cooking pot together and I'm going to start adding my ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar. Well, 1/3 cup of sugar into my pot. Okay, I've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's my first tablespoon. That's your whole full tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I've got a nice little whisk here. I'm going to whisk this up and make sure it's completely combined. Okay, after I combine all this together, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of whole milk. Just make sure when you pour that milk, make sure it comes to the top and it's completely 1 cup. Okay, now I need a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. The same as, then I'm going to mix this heavy cream right into here also. Okay, now I'm going to be adding all of those egg yolks. Okay, then I'm just going to whisk all these egg yolks and everything in here together. We're going to carry this right onto the stove. Make sure. Okay, now I'm bringing it over and I'm going to turn on the until low. And I'm going to stir and wait till this gets nice and thick. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just whisking away. Okay, now it's getting really thick. You're going to take this off the heat because this is now done. Okay, now I'm going to add some unsweetened chocolates to this. Okay, I'm going to do a cup of confectionate sugar with this. Okay, I'm going to start stirring. Put half, and I'm going to stir it up really good. Don't be afraid. Just get that in there and mix that up really good. I'm going to add the rest of the cup of sugar and make sure you get it in there really, really good. Now we're going to be making the frosting for the top of the cake. Okay, this frosting requires 4 tablespoons of butter. I need 8 ounces of cream cheese saucing. Don't forget, before you make this dessert, the first thing you want to do is sit out your cream cheese and your butter to get softened. Okay, that's the 8 ounce. I'm going to beat this until both of these are smooth. And I'm beating this on low, guys. And this is the lowest on this one. Okay, you want 4 cups of powdered sugar. I'm adding 1 cup of powdered sugar at a time. And I'm going to beat this on slow. Okay, now I'm just going to scrape down the sides. You're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of very good vanilla. Okay, I'm just going to fold that vanilla in. Make sure you mix it up really good, guys. So this looks like this has been mixed up good. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit up a little bit more. Okay, I've got a half a cup of sweet semi-chocolate chips. Now with this recipe here, it calls for a white cake. So this is an easy, easy way. I've got a regular old box white cake that I'm going to use. But before I use it, I'm going to dump a little bit of this powder, which is the cake mix itself, on top of, just sprinkle a little bit. This is not even a teaspoon. It's maybe a half teaspoon. And I'm going to mix these chocolates all around. Now, why am I doing this? Because when I put this inside my cake, instead of all of this chocolate dropping at the bottom and making a big chocolate cookie at the bottom, this will make the chocolate chips stay up in the cake as I mix it so it won't fall. So this is a good idea. Okay, I got two 8-inch cake pans and I got some butter, but I'm going to butter and flour my pans the old-fashioned way. Okay, the cakes are cooled completely down. It took about an hour to cool down this cake after I got them out of the oven, and that's great. Gave me enough time to watch a little bit of my TV shows. Okay, I've got a knife here, and I am going to like cut some of this cake off. Okay, I'm going to stir my mixture for the middle. Make sure I got that nice and stirred in. Oh, that looks really good. We're going to put some of this on top and we're going to spread that. Okay, so I'm going to take that layer. Make sure you put a nice good size. I'm going to the edge with this cake and I'm going to bring that cake over and I want that cake to set on here. Okay, you remember that icing that we made earlier? Oh my God, it's so good. Let's start icing this cake. Okay, we finished icing it, and this is some chocolate that I have, and I have like I'm just gonna shave my shavings of chocolate. Okay, so let's get in here and cut it, and let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Okay, so this is my chocolate curl cake homemade. And it's going to be homemade because I made it homemade and I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. And we can make plenty more dishes. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, come back next time so we can make plenty more dishes. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.